Sorry, I don't. Okay. Before I come, actually the organizer did mention a very friendly reminder that you're not going to come here and talk about cryptocurrency, right? So I think one of the market perception about this blockchain and cryptocurrency thing is that when you talk about blockchain, people automatically, thank you, people automatically equates it with Bitcoin. And then after they equate it with Bitcoin, then they actually think of something else, something like scams or money game and all these things. But then, if you really look at the blockchain technology itself, it's way far more than that. It just happened that we have a lot of scammers at the moment, and we do have a lot of companies trying to do things or do good things with this blockchain thing, but then they have yet to find a way to come up with something. So we are still in a very, very early stage of this blockchain technology development. You can say it's like we are still in the floppy disk era of this whole blockchain movement thing. And we have yet to see the MIRC or ICQ or Netscape equivalent of things come into the blockchain space. Okay? So, one of the reasons why we set up this association is that when you look at all these reports from Deloitte, the Big Four and all that, and even all the major news coverage about blockchain or cryptocurrencies and all that, we don't see Malaysia in their radar. But in fact, we have a lot of Malaysians actually actively involved in this space. And just take a few, NAM is actually initiated by one of the founders is actually Malaysian. And the Etherscan that most people are using in this industry, across the industry, is actually one of the Malaysian programmers as well. So one of the reasons why we do what we do today is that we hope to see someday that in these kind of reports and all that, we have Malaysia appear in their radar. So this is another little bit of introduction. Okay, so what is blockchain? Most people really don't know what is blockchain, and we have a lot of definition across the market, across the industry. And we do face people like, when they call us to have some consulting session or advisory session, they simply say, okay, tell me what is blockchain. I want blockchain. How much is it? Then how soon can you deploy? And we even accept these kinds of requests such as, I want POC in 6 months, FOC, kind of things. Okay, but this is just some experience sharing with you guys, what is really happening across the scene or across the industry. And what government agencies are trying to do is also, they try to understand blockchain. And we do see a lot of efforts that all these officers, policymakers, they try to define the borders where they can really come into the space and really do something about it. Okay, and things are progressing well. And as far as we are concerned is that Malaysia is really working towards this part. And we do have regulatory things moving onwards, and you shall soon see something about it very soon. And I think 2019 will be the year people start seeing more and more use cases and more positive movement and real implementation of all these technology related things. So, in order to understand blockchain, you actually need to study Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the first blockchain. And you need to take another step backwards if you really want to understand what Bitcoin is really all about. And in order to do this, you need to study what is money. So there's another whole exciting field of finance, monetary things for you to really look into. So most people are skeptical or they are afraid of these things because all things are so interconnected and so related that they find it hard for them to comprehend most of the things. So you see in the market that people try to actually differentiate that, okay, blockchain is blockchain, cryptocurrency is cryptocurrency, but in fact they are one. Okay, so you see something like, okay, blockchain is good, you are doing blockchain, you don't touch cryptocurrency, you're a good guy, then you touch cryptocurrency, you sell ICOs, you're bad, kind of things, right? But then if you really look into the whole thing, blockchain, Bitcoin, money, they are all interconnected. And there's not so much about hype of it or about what these things can do, what these things can really change the world, etc., etc. It just happened to be like we are repeating the whole history of the progress of the World Wide Web once again. Only this time, rather than the transfer of information over the World Wide Web, we are doing the transfer of value over the internet. Okay, so this is one of the things that differentiate the whole World Wide Web movement and the whole blockchain movement. And we are still in the very early stage of it because blockchain is only, I think, celebrated its 10th anniversary. So, blockchain, Bitcoin, money. Blockchain is only part of the process to our understanding. If you really look at the whole thing from 100 years point of view, you look at it at a wider perspective, why is it part of the process and why we actually structured it into such a way for illustration is that we actually spent the past 20 to 30 years populate the internet or the World Wide Web with lots of information. But then we are facing one problem. We have lots of fake information, fake identity, fake products, false news, etc., etc., right? But then, in order for a good AI to function, for those who knows programming, you know rubbish in, rubbish out. We are talking about data integrity,